Welcome back to our Igbo class. If you're meeting us for the first time, please kindly subscribe to our channel and also turn on notification. In today's class, we're going to put you through on how these Igbo letters are being grouped or are being classified. You get? Just like the English alphabets are being classified into two. Also in Igbo language, we classify them vowels, letters, and also the consonant letters. We call them UDAUME and MGBOCHIUME. Good. The UDAUME there is the vowel, while the MGBOCHIUME are called the consonants. Good. In Igbo, we have 8 letters of the vowel. They go like this. We have the A, we have the E, we have the I, we have the I, we have the O, we have the O, we have the U, and we have the O. Get it again. A, E, I, O, U, and O. Guys, that's it for the UDAUME. Like I said, there are 18 numbers. Let me run it down again. A, E, I, O, U, O. Now we are going to the MGBOCHIUME. These are the consonant letters we have in Igbo. There are 28 in numbers. We call them the MGBOCHIUME. MGBOCHIUME Igbo, meaning the consonant letters in Igbo language. Good. Let's get it down. B, Chi, D, Fi, Gi, Gbe, Ra, Gwe, Ha, Je, Ke, Me, Kwe, Le, Mi, Ni, Nga, Nwi, Ni, Pi, Re, V, we, yeah, and this. Thank you. Kudos to you. So, we wrote down, we'll continue. Now, these MGBOCHIUME are subdivided into two. They are called MGBOCHIUME Nge. The single word, the single consonants. Because, looking at the letters, you see some are single, some are doubled. So, those single MGBOCHIUME are called MGBOCHIUME Nge. Then while we have the MGBOCHIUME Mpe. MGBOCHIUME Mpe. Good. The MGBOCHIUME Nge are Bo, De, Ge, Ha, Je, Ke, Le, Me, Ne, Nga, Pe, Re, Ti, Ve, We, Ye. Now, for clarity, the MGBOCHIUME, there are 19 in numbers, while the MGBOCHIUME are 9 in numbers. So, the MGBOCHIUME Mpe, Chi, Gbe, Ra, Gwe, Pe, Kwe, We, Nye, Sh. So that's it for the MGBOCHIUME Nge and MGBOCHIUME Mpe. Let me quickly take us to what we call MYIRIUDAUME. MYIRIUDAUME bụ MGBOCHIUME ndị ahụ na-arụ ọrụ dịka UDAUME, meaning they are those consonants that plays the role of vowels in Igbo language. They are me and ni. Yeah, guys, that's it for now. So it's simple. Just keep practicing and keep mastering. Okay? Good. And if you have any question, just drop it there in the comment section below. I'm always available to help you out. And please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and meet us in our next class. Bye for now.